It's here, it's here, it's here. My wife told me to handle this like it was a baby. $400 baby. 400 bucks. Can you believe that? And they break frequently. That's the thing that's so aggravating. All right, let me start putting this in together. First thing I'm gonna do is fill this tank up with gasoline so this pump doesn't have to work. I know it's gonna drain in there, but I wanna be sure it's got gasoline in this tank before I crank it up and this pump has to work to fill the lines up. But basically I do this in reverse. So let me fill it up with gas and start working on putting this back together. All right, I'll tell you what, it was a whole lot easier going in than it was coming out. There's a gasket under the edge of this, and the gasket has a little notch in it that has to fit it around that little round thing there, just like this little rim does. So you just lift up on the edge of this, wiggle it down in there. You got to pull all that kind of stuff out of here with your third hand. So I've got, oh yeah, and that you've got to break off the old clamp because it's some kind of weird looking clamp. Here, there's one right there and another one right there. And so anyway, you got to replace it with a hose clamp or something like that, which I didn't have. So, okay, so what I'm gonna do now, the thing that the seat locks down into, I gotta weave this down in there. Actually, it's this way. And then clamp that back in here and clamp this one back up through right here. So let me get to putting this in there. I filled this up with gas, and what I'm going to do is turn the key on. I'm going to open these valves, turn the key on before I go any further, just to make sure that the pump will pump up and that gas will flow in and that we don't have any leaks. Let me do that next. All right, I got everything. I got these opened up. No leaks, everything's looking good. I got this put back together. Now I need to screw this back together. And let's see, what else? The seat on. Get it off my redneck jack stands and take it for a little spin. I know what you want to hear. Okay. All right, 100% better. A very little decell pop, an expected amount. I mean, this bike, with nothing done to it, has decell pop. So this is no more than what you would expect from a bike with wide open pipes. And man, I'll tell you, this is one heavy bike. I'm not going to get screwed. Tomorrow we go to the dealer, and I want to get rid of it. Really, basically, I want to get my wife a brand new bike. Her birthday's a couple days from now too, so it would fit perfectly. So we'll see what tomorrow holds. I'm not gonna, if I can get out of this for close to what I gave for it and forget all the problems I've had with it, if I can just get rid of it, give it back to them and get a brand new bike with a warranty so I don't have to keep looking in my mirror to see if my wife is broke down. She can enjoy it and not worry about going on a trip to Texarkana without me having to run home for the truck and the trailer. It would make much more enjoyable riding. And I tell you, honestly, the bike we're wanting to buy with a brand new, a brand new bike, it would cost us less than this. This was way more than what we should have given for the bike. But how could we possibly know looking at it with all the stuff that was wrong with it? So I will let you know. Thursday, tomorrow, is the day. You'll see this Thursday morning. So about 10-ish or 11-ish, I'm going to drive this over to Marshall, Texas. And we've already arranged financing for the other bike. And it all hinges on how well they treat me on the Antichrist here. So I will see you Friday with an update.